I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Let's draw two more houses in Warli art. Welcome you to another exciting episode of how to draw in Warli art. So let's get started. First of all, draw two straight lines like this and join them from the bottom. Then make a triangular like shape and draw the roof of the house. Okay, now let's draw the door and the two windows. So this is one of a kind of the house. Now let me show you another type of house. For this again we'll draw straight lines, join them together from the bottom. Now okay, make this a rectangular shape. Let's draw the roof. Okay, draw the roof. These are kind of kacha houses, Indian traditional houses, make of mud, soil, and you can say grass, leaves, etc. Okay, so that's the roof of our house. Let's draw the door, a window, and stairs on both sides to climb on the roof. Okay, so these are two another different kinds of houses that we are used in drawing, means Warli drawing. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.